Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in finance, the stock market. What is it, and how does it really work? If you're new to the world of investing, this video is just for you. Let's simplify it together. First things first, what exactly is the stock market? Think of it as a big marketplace where people buy and sell ownership shares of companies, called stocks. These stocks represent a piece of a company's value. The stock market allows companies to raise money to grow their business by selling these shares to the public. In return, investors can earn money if the company's value increases or if it pays dividends. So, how does it work? The stock prices are determined by the simple forces of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. If more people are selling, the price drops. There are two main players in the stock market: long-term investors, who focus on a company's growth over time, and traders, who aim to profit from daily price changes. Both play a role in keeping the market dynamic. Stocks are traded on platforms called stock exchanges. Some of the most famous ones include the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ in the United States. These exchanges act as a bridge between buyers and sellers. Ever heard of bull and bear markets? A bull market means prices are rising and investors are optimistic. A bear market, on the other hand, indicates falling prices and a more cautious approach. Getting started in the stock market is easier than you think. All you need is a brokerage account. Once you set it up, you can start buying and selling stocks right from your phone or computer. Quick tip: before investing, always research the company's fundamentals and its performance history. A little homework goes a long way in making smart investment decisions. The stock market might seem complex at first, but with patience and a willingness to learn, it can be a powerful tool to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-understand financial content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.